Hello everyone, I am Ozair Ali Mawjooth from St. Peter's College. I wish the Young Inventors Club of Musaeus College for giving me this fantastic opportunity today to present you guys about my experiences and my thoughts as a young inventor participant in INSTIncTUS'20. As I was interested in robotics technology and computer science, I started following the coding, electronics, and robotics program at LearnWare Academy. Due to COVID, our physical schools were halted. So, with my available free time, I got involved more into the tech learning with LearnWare, which helped me to become a young inventor. So today as an invention, I have created line tracking robot which could be used in hospitals to deliver foods and medicine to patients without human help. So the basic components I used to do this project is one microbit, one motor bit motor driver, one sonar bit sensor, and one line tracking module. And as the power, I have used one 3.7 voltage battery. So to give foods and medicine to the patient, I have prepared a tray using the servo motor's help. So now let's look into this tray. So here you could see I have pasted some colors which is red, yellow and green color, and I have fixed some small trays. So when I keep the robot on the line it will go through the line, and if it finds the obstacle the car will stop, and after it stops I can control this tray using the remote. For this remote I have used one microbit. So basically this tray could be interacted with the servo motor and I can control the servo motor. So now let's look into the bed which I have created. So here you could see this is the control room which I have prepared. So here I have fixed 3 buttons. So with these buttons I can control the arm which is fixed on every bed. So this is the button which we could use to interact with the patient. So when I on this button I can, if I speak through this mic, the patient can hear. So this is the basic control room I have made, and from here I can load foods and medicine to the patients, and when I leave it on the line it will give the medicine to every bed, and at last it will come to the service hub and stop automatically, because as an obstacle I have fixed this part. So the robot will come and stop inside. So now let's try this project. So when it comes near the bed and if it finds the obstacle, the car is stopping. So now let's control the tray. So when I press the button, the red color tray is coming. So now I can take the tray out like this and keep it in the patient's bed. So here you could see the red color tray is popped out and the red color bed is here. So the same tray is coming near the bed. So now let's lift the obstacle. Last but not least, I would like to take this opportunity to thank LearnWare Academy for providing me the required guidance. I hope you all would have enjoyed my invention and the use of its creation. Thank you for listening and supporting us to change the world. Thank you.